To replace fabrics after washing, first position the seat pad into the empty seat shell. With the headrest in the lowest position, guide the top of the seat pad around the headrest and onto the back of the seat frame. Then guide the release handle padding over the seat release handles on both sides. Next, slide the plastic notches into the coordinating holes inside the cup holder frame. Pull the crotch strap through the buttonhole, then guide the seat pad around the harness release button. Pull the front edge of the seat padding down and guide the fabric into the frame slot. Slide the headrest into a higher position to lay the fabric into the seat and behind the headrest plastic. To guide the outer edge of the seat pad fabric into the frame slot, use the plastic tabs to help push and guide the fabric into the frame. To install the headrest fabric piece, insert the harness into the harness slots. Then slide the headrest fabric up onto the backrest plate. Snap both sets of buttons below the headrest. Adjust the headrest to its highest position and pull the fabric back onto the sides of the headrest frame. Use the plastic tabs to help push the fabric into the slot until the fabric edge is hidden. At the back of the headrest, snap both buttons. To attach the flex forward crotch pad, slide the harness buckle up through the seat pad slot. Slide the pad down over the buckle. Make sure to insert the winged section of the crotch pad behind the harness buckle strap. To complete the crotch pad attachment, wrap the strap through the opening in the buckle strap. Fasten the snap button to secure the flex forward crotch pad. Insert the bottom panel into the top panel. Make sure the headrest can slide freely. Reinstall the cup holders. Line up the key on the bottom of the cup holder and twist into place. Reattach the shoulder pads by folding the Velcro tab over the harness strap. Secure both Velcro tabs together. Replace the hip pads. Fold the pads over the harness below the buckle tongues and secure the Velcro tabs.